Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use product tags in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, make sure first that you are using WordPress admin panel. And after that, you will be needing to just go to the products. And basically here, we can go simply to the all products so we can find the list of our products. And as you can see, there is two ways of distinguishing between your products and these are the categories or using the tags. And basically categories are kind of more hierarchical or more specific and would or I would say more general, and tags would be more specific. For example, you can have tags for colors. You can make it, for example, green, and it will be, for example, the size L or medium size or anything. So basically, you can have more specific tags for your products. So, and to add any tags, you would be needing just to add to create tags. So simply, you can add the name of your new tag, and I'm just going to name it, for example, whatever. So medium, and this is just a slug that you can. The slug is your friendly version of the name, and you can use whatever you like. So I will just use MD or M or whatever. Now I'm just going to click on add new tag. And basically now we have this tag here. You can give it a description so it can just describe what the tag is for. And now we can go to all products. And from there, we can just go simply on edit and we will give it this tag. And simply we can search for the product tags and we go here to the product tags and we give it, for example, the medium tag. So I'm just going to search for this one and I'm just going to give it this one. And simply, as you can see, for tags, you can find many, you can add many tags for your products. And simply, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.